Hi everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to find the endpoints of a confidence interval. Now in this problem you can see that we're asked to work with 99% confidence interval and we're given some data. But before diving into the problem for homework, what I suggest doing is going to the question help area, view an example, and in this area if you click through continue, they show how to do all of these calculations by hand. And you can do that, but it's pretty complicated and the likelihood of making an arithmetic error or rounding error goes way up. So I'm going to use StatCrunch. I'm just going to click through to get to the final answer so that we feel confident that we've got the right approach. All right, so ultimately you can either go by hand or StatCrunch, and the answer we should get for this set of data is an interval from 42 up to 248. Okay, here in StatCrunch, I'm going to go to Stat, T-Stats, ToSample with summary, because we don't have the raw data, we just have the summary like the mean and standard deviation. I'm going to type in the data for the mean, the standard deviation, and the number of elements in our first sample. And then for the second sample we have a different mean, so I'll type that in. Okay, so far so good. So I'm just going to move this up the screen a little bit. And we are going to pool the variances here, and you can read through the description of the problem to think about why that might be the case. And if you're not sure, feel free to ask me in the course. Down here for confidence interval, for this particular problem in the view example area, we're working with a 90% confidence interval, so I'm going to make this 0.90. And everything else is fine. I'm going to click compute, and if we round to the nearest integer, we get the correct answer, 42 up to 248.